Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, so a little bit of follow through, but yet another upper wick showing profit taking. The past 2 days that has been the case. We did get a higher low and a higher high, so the bulls have that in their favor. But resistance now is 125.09 and then 126.09. We do have the middle Bollinger Band and 10-day moving average back as support, 124.21, 124.22. So the bulls will look to hold those levels again. Very similar candlestick to the S&P 500 upper wick. Inverted hammer closed here. There closed down near the low. So we are going to test these moving average supports again tomorrow, and we can see a little bit of a higher low forming here as this range tightens. We can see incrementally higher lows, 122.07, 122.78, 123.11, and as long as the bulls establish a higher low compared to 123.11, that will remain the case. But the lower highs are here as well, so it's a tightening range. And we are going to see a clear break. You can see these Bollinger Bands tightening, and a clear break will likely occur. We'll see what Yellen has to say on Friday and if that's going to add a lot of volatility in the markets. And if it does, there's a whole lot of names that are in tight ranges that will see a clear break in one direction or the other if we see a market spike in one direction or the other. So we're keeping an eye on these moving averages. If they are lost, we're looking down at 123.11. And if the bulls break 125.09, we're looking at 126.09. So I appreciate you watching. We will check back in tomorrow. Not a ton of information with the way the past week or two has traded in terms of confident, clear direction, and that's what that tightening range tells us. We're going to need to wait to see a volume spike and a clear break in one direction or the other. And whenever I personally see a setup like this, I will wait for that break. I'm not going to try and get in and hope it breaks in my direction. I will give up some of the reward to give up a lot of the risk by waiting for that break to occur. So I appreciate you watching. See you tomorrow.